Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we will start new unit movement. We will read page number 100 of textbook and we will do workbook pages 72 and 73. Today our learning objective is that you will be able to learn how objects can move. First of all, I will tell you what is movement. Movement is the state of changing position of something. Like car can move and change its position. Force can help the things to move from one place to another. A force is a push or pull. Some objects can move easily like ball, toy car, toy train. And some objects cannot move easily like heavy objects, pile of books, etc. So for light objects, we need less force to move the objects. And for heavy objects, we need more force to move them. Now students, open page number 100. Question is circle what is moving each object. In each picture, force is used to move the objects. Look at the first picture. Car is moving. What helps it to move? Hand. So circle the hand. Look at second picture. You have seen duck is moving in a water. Water helps the duck to move. So circle the water. Look at third picture. You have seen that petals of flowers are moving. Girl is blowing the air. So circle the girl's mouth. Look at fourth picture. Nails are moving. Magnet attracts the nail. So they are moving. So circle the magnet. Now students, look at question number 2. Mark tick the object you can move easily. First picture, a pile of books that are very heavy and not easily moved. So don't take it. Look at second picture, ball. It is easily moved. So mark tick in the given box. Third picture, there are blocks. They are very light in weight and you can move them easily. So take it. In fourth picture, you have seen bricks. They are heavy and not easily moved. So don't take it. Now students, open page number 72 of your workbook. First of all, you will write down day, classwork and date. Now look at question number 1. What makes the objects move? Look and write. Word bank is given. Words are water, air and hand. So you will complete the blanks with the help of pictures and word bank. First picture shows the moving car. Second picture is moving duck in water. In third picture, petals of flowers are moving. Now look at question or sentence number 1. The dash pushes the car. It is moving the toy car. So the force is hand. So write down hand in the given blank. Number 2. The dash is moving the plastic duck. Force is water. Water helps the duck to move. So write down water in the second blank. The girl blows the plant. The dash is moving the plant. So what is moving the plant? Air. Air helps the plant to move. So write down air in the given blank. Now students, look at question number 2. Can you move the objects easily? Look and write yes or no. First picture, you have seen a pile of books. You cannot move them easily. So write no in the given box. Second is ball. Yes, you can move the ball easily. So write yes in the given box. In third picture, you have seen blocks. You can move them easily. So write yes in the given blank. In fourth picture, you have seen lot of bricks. They are very heavy and you cannot move them easily. So write no in the given blank. Now move on question number 3. Draw two objects you can move easily. Now in this question, students, you will draw any two objects in the given box that you can move easily and write their names in the given blanks to complete sentences. Now students, move on. Next page, page number 73. For question number 4, which 4 things can't you move easily? Read and circle. I will read the text at first, then you will circle 4 things that you cannot move easily. Listen carefully. You can move something easily. You can move blocks, a teddy bear, a toy train, or a toy car. They all move easily. You can move a balloon and ball easily, but you cannot move some objects. Heavy objects can be difficult to move. This is because the force of gravity pulls them towards Earth. Big objects can be difficult to move. You can't move your house or your school. Now students, you will circle heavy objects, big objects, house and school because they can't easily moved. Now move on question number 5. Read the sentences and circle the correct option. Sentence number 1 is already done for you. You can move a teddy bear easily. Number 2 is you can or can't move a ball. So circle can because it is easily moved. Now look at question number 3. You can or can't move heavy objects easily. Now you will circle can't because heavy objects can't move easily. Fourth sentence is you can or can't move big objects easily. Again you will circle can't because big objects can't move easily. Now students, move on question number 6. Question number 6 is draw an object that you can't move easily. Word bank is given, so you will choose anything of your choice and draw it in the given box and write its name in the given blanks. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.